No traffic, no office politics, no 2-hour commute. Just your laptop and a paycheck arriving every month from a company thousands of miles away. Sounds like a dream.
But here's the reality.
Landing a remote job in 2026 is harder than ever, not because remote work is disappearing, but because competition has exploded. LinkedIn reports that applicants per job have roughly doubled compared to 2022, and most job seekers say they feel unprepared for today's hiring process. Recruiters are also increasingly using AI to screen candidates before a human ever sees an application. The good news, most people are applying the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you the research-backed strategy that gives beginners the best chance of landing their first remote job. Stop looking for remote jobs. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. People search for remote work.
Companies don't hire people because they want to work remotely.
They hire people because they solve problems. Remote work is a way of working, not a profession.
Instead of asking,
"How do I work remotely?" ask, "What valuable skill can I deliver from anywhere?" According to LinkedIn's 2026 Skills on the Rise report, employers are increasingly hiring based on skills, not degrees or traditional career paths. Think about roles like customer support, virtual assistants, digital marketing, bookkeeping, graphic design, software development, copywriting, project coordination. Pick one lane. Psychologist Barry Schwartz, in The Paradox of Choice, explains that having too many options often leads to decision paralysis. Successful people don't chase every opportunity. They become excellent at one thing first. Build proof, not promises. Here's a secret recruiters rarely tell you. Experience matters, but proof matters even more. Imagine you're hiring two people. One says, "I'm a great graphic designer." The other shows you 10 beautiful designs. Who gets hired? Exactly. Behavioral psychologists call this social proof. People trust demonstrated ability more than self-description. If you're a writer, publish articles. If you're a developer, create projects on GitHub. If you're a marketer, run a campaign for a local business. If you're an accountant, create sample financial dashboards. Your portfolio becomes your experience. One of the strongest lessons from psychologist Anders Ericsson's research on deliberate practice is that skill develops through focused, purposeful work, not simply by accumulating years of experience. And remember, done beats perfect. Optimize for AI before humans. This surprises many people. Your first interviewer probably isn't human. It's software. LinkedIn reports that recruiters are rapidly increasing their use of AI to identify qualified candidates and screen applications. That means your resume and LinkedIn profile need to match the language employers use. Instead of writing, "helped customers," write, "resolved 50+ customer inquiries daily using Zendesk while maintaining a 95% satisfaction rating." Use measurable results, specific software, relevant keywords. Recruiters spend only seconds on an initial review. Clarity beats creativity. Learn the skills companies actually need. Many beginners spend months learning outdated skills. The market has shifted. According to Upwork's 2026 research, demand for AI-enabled skills has more than doubled. But hiring remains strong across customer support, marketing, creative work, software development, accounting, and operations. Employers increasingly value professionals who combine technical tools with strong human judgment. The winners won't be people competing against AI. They'll be people using AI to become faster and more effective. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Canva, Notion, Excel, Google Workspace, Slack, Zoom, Trello, or Asana. Technology changes, problem-solving doesn't. Apply less, network more. Most people send 300 applications. Few build relationships.
Psychologist Mark Granovetter's famous research, later published as The Strength of Weak Ties, found that many career opportunities come through acquaintances rather than close friends. Why? Because acquaintances expose you to opportunities outside your immediate circle.
Connection.
Comment thoughtfully on LinkedIn. Join professional communities. Attend virtual networking events. Ask professionals about their work, not for a job. The best opportunities often arrive through conversations, not cold applications. Landing a remote job in 2026 isn't about luck. It's about becoming someone a company can trust, even if they've never met you. Remember these 5 principles. Learn one valuable skill. Build visible proof. Optimize for AI screening. Use modern tools, including AI. Build relationships before asking for opportunities. Remote work is becoming more competitive, but it also continues to open opportunities across borders for people with in-demand skills. Your location matters less than your value. So, don't spend the next 6 months searching endlessly for remote jobs. Spend the next 6 months becoming the kind of person remote companies compete to hire. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more evidence-based videos on careers, psychology, productivity, and building wealth in the modern world. And tell me in the comments, if you could learn one skill this year that could change your life, what would it be?